Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of MIS Management Information System, I will tell you SCM. SCM stands for Supply Chain Management. It is also an information system, as I have talked about CRM, Customer Relationship Management, as it was an information system. Similarly, SCM is also a supply chain management system. What is the meaning? SCM, supply chain management. What is this? Supply chain management is the management of flow of goods and services and includes all processes that transform raw material into final product. What is SCM? It is a supply chain management which is responsible for flow of goods and services from supplier to final customer. Means supplier supplies us raw material, manufacturer makes final product from that raw material and then supplies to customer. Afterwards, from manufacturer there are many more person like wholesaler, retailer, dealer, agent, broker. So all these are the part of supply chain. एक chain चलती है पूरी from supplier to customer. Supplier supplies raw material to manufacturer, फिर आता है manufacturer, then wholesaler, retailer, agent and finally customer. तो customer तक सामान जाने के लिए पूरा flow होता है. That flow is called supply chain management. Supply chain management is the management of flow of goods and service and include all process that transform raw material and into final product. This is the definition कि फाइनल प्रोडक्ट बनने से पहले रॉ मटेरियल से लेकर पूरा जो चेन चलता है डेट सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट. इट इन्वॉल्व्स द एक्टिव स्ट्रीमलाइनिंग ऑफ बिजनेस सप्लाई साइड एक्टिविटीज़ टू मैक्सिमाइज कस्टमर वैल्यू एंड गेन अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज इन मार्केट प्लेस. मीन्स मार्केट में हम टाइम टू टाइम अपना कस्टमर को सेल करते रहें एंड कॉम्पिटिशन में बने रहें. SCM represents an effort by suppliers. मीन्स सप्लायर्स का एफर्ट है ये to develop and implement supply chains that are as efficient and economical as possible. Supply chains cover everything from production to product development. Means कुछ बना रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल शुगर केन से शुगर बना रहे हैं, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ शुगर केन टू शुगर केन, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ शुगर फ्रॉम शुगर केन से शुगर बना रहे हैं. then supplier supplies sugar cane and we manufacture sugar from sugar cane. So supply chain covers everything from production to product development. So here production means sugar cane, product means sugar. To information systems needed to direct these undertaking. Okay. Next, in commerce, supply chain management. It is the management of flow of goods and service between business location and includes the movement and storage of raw material. VIP means एक इन्वेंट्री होता है, एक स्टोरेज, वर्क इन प्रोसेस इन्वेंट्री एंड फिनिश गुड्स. मीन तीनों टाइप की इन्वेंट्री रखी जाती है, रॉ मटेरियल, WIP, वर्क इन प्रोसेस इन्वेंट्री एंड फिनिश गुड, एज वेल एज एंड टू एंड ऑर्डर फुलफिलमेंट फ्रॉम पॉइंट ऑफ ओरिजिन टू पॉइंट ऑफ कंजम्पशन. कंजम्पशन मीन्स कस्टमर और कंज्यूमर तक पहुँचने में पूरा एक फ़्लो होता है फ्रॉम सप्लायर से कंज्यूमर तक सामान पहुँचने में एक पूरा चेन है, एक फ़्लो है. डेट्स SCM सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट. It is interconnected, interrelated and interlinked network, channel and node business combined in the provision of product and service required by end customer in a supply chain. Means supply chain एक chain है from supplier to customer and to manage that supply chain is supply chain management. So this is all about supply chain management. It's an important topic. Learn it. Next I will discuss in another video. Thank you for listening.